Hey guys, Lennon's here. Today we're making one of my favorites to make for my family or a party. It is affordable and very easy to make. Everybody loves it. Let's take a look. Make sure to get thin spaghetti. It holds more sauce than the regular one, so I love it. More sauce is better, right? And don't forget adding some salt to season our pasta. Prep work, which is not a lot in this recipe. The mushroom, to slice it to about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. Because we're going to cook ground beef, so I prefer to work with a non-stick pan with stainless steel. The ground beef, when we add it in, it will immediately stick to the pan. And that will be quite a challenge to just try to break it up to tiny bits. Speaking of breaking up the ground beef, this tool is excellent at doing just that. It's also safe for non-stick pan unless you really try hard to break up the pan. Although caramelization adds flavors, we don't want to brown our ground beef all around on all the tiny bits of it, because at that point the ground beef will be very dry and drop on texture. We don't want that, at least not for me. Soft, puffy ground beef with a little bit of crunch on just one browning side, and that's what we want. So don't over-searing our ground beef. If making this for a party, you can keep it warm in a slow cooker for the entire party time. Finally, before you head to your kitchen, if you like to, you can help me out with my tiny YouTube channel by doing this. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful meal ahead. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.